Today we're setting the table for a small dinner with friends. We'll start with a layout for 4, then show how it expands to seat 6, all within the same calm, compact kitchen. It's simple, but makes all the difference. There's something calming about setting the table, one plate at a time, glass by glass. It's a quiet routine that marks the start of something shared. No rush, just small details coming together, a soft rhythm that fills the room. This part is always my favorite. The way light hits the dishes, the feel of the table, the quiet before conversation. Everything has a place, and setting it feels like a pause before the evening begins. For most evenings, this setup is just right. When it's just the 2 of us or a couple of friends, 4 seats feel effortless. It keeps things close, easy, relaxed. The table is built right into the island, so everything flows, from prepping to serving, with no need to move around too much. It feels like exactly what we need. But some evenings call for more space. The tabletop slides out with a quiet motion, a smooth extension that gives us room to welcome more. It pulls straight from the island, with no lifting or shifting. Just a gentle glide that expands the surface in seconds. A simple gesture that opens up the whole space. To make space for 6, we move a chair to the other side, extend the table, and bring in the bench. Just a few quiet steps, and the whole setup shifts. It feels more lively, more open, like the space is ready for something a little more festive. Same kitchen, same table, but a different kind of evening. With the table fully open, everything feels easier. There's room to serve without rearranging, space for shared dishes in the center, and a little more breathing room between each setting. It's the kind of flexibility that doesn't ask for attention, but makes a real difference when you're hosting. Nothing feels tight or improvised, just smooth, intentional, and ready to enjoy. Setting the table becomes part of the experience, not just something to get through, but something to enjoy. Each step adds to the atmosphere. It's quiet, but not still. There's a flow to it, a sense that something is about to begin. This is the part I always look forward to, when the room softens and the evening starts to take shape. In a small home, every inch matters. But more than that, it's about creating space for what matters, for connection, for comfort, for living well, even in the quietest ways. It's not about perfection, it's about presence. Good food, thoughtful design, and a little sake to mark the evening. There's no rush. Setting a table like this slows you down, in the best way. Each plate, each glass, placed with care. Each moment, intentional. This kitchen was built to flex with our lives, and on nights like this, it reminds me why we made it this way. Thanks for spending this evening with us. In our next video, we'll share more about how we designed the living room, the layout, the pieces we chose, and how it all came together. Subscribe if you'd like to see more.